Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Hisam Academy. If you are new here, so I am Sumul Rizvi, an English language fluency expert. And today we are diving into something really exciting and really helpful for all those people who actually want to work upon their spoken English language skills. Because today in this video, I will gonna go over some of the basic English language questions that would be simple and open-ended that will definitely gonna help you to sound more confident and natural. So this video is basically for all those people who actually want to improve their spoken English language skills. So if you are one of them, so grab a notebook and just get comfortable because now we are diving. And do not forget to like this video and hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel if you will find this video helpful. In this video, I will gonna provide you some of the basic English language questions along with their sample answers so that you can have an idea that usually what type of questions are being asked by the people and what sort of answers you are supposed to give them.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I enjoy reading books, watching films, and hiking.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
Well, I like to enjoy my weekend with my family. Sometimes I go for a walk, or sometimes I try new recipes because I'm into cooking.
What's your dream job?
Not a job because I'm an entrepreneur, but I would like to make a name for myself in the world of English language.
Can you tell me about your favorite vacation?
Yeah, my favorite vacation was I went to beach with my family last summer.
What makes you happy?
Well, that's really interesting question because there are many things which can actually make me happy. But I would say that traveling, spending time with my family, and shopping. These three things actually make me feel really happy.
How do you stay motivated?
Well, I stay motivated by setting a small goals and some achievable goals, obviously. And I always reward myself. Whenever I achieve something, so I always acknowledge it and I always reward myself with something.
What is something you have always wanted to learn?
Well, once again, there are many things that I always have wanted to learn, but I would say swimming. I have always wanted to learn swimming.
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I like every kind of music, pop, classical, soft, because I am into music, so I love every type of music.
What is something that makes you feel proud?
Well, like everyone, I feel really proud of myself when I achieve something that I have worked really hard for. So when I get it, so I feel proud of myself.
How do you handle stressful situations?
Very tough question, but if you ask me, so I would say that there are many strategies in my life through which I actually handle or manage my stress. So first of all, that I just take a deep breath, or sometimes I do exercise, or sometimes I organize my task. And there are many more other techniques as well, but these are the three very basic techniques through which I handle my stress or anxiety as well.
What do you think is the most important quality in a friend?
I think honesty. Honesty is the most important trait of anyone's personality, especially if you really want to make your friend. So, honesty is the one most important thing that you should look for.
How would you describe your perfect day?
Well, my perfect day is when I get up late in the morning, when I don't have to make breakfast for my family, when I just stay in bed throughout the day or watch something exciting on Netflix or maybe go outside with my family. Basically, when I relax and I don't work, so that's my perfect day.
What is your favorite childhood memory?
Well, my one most favorite childhood memory was when I went to Marine Islamabad with my father when he was alive. So it was basically a family trip and I had a lot of fun.
What inspires you the most?
Well, to be very honest, I'm actually inspired by the people who are strong, brave, who are kind, who are unbreakable, and who overcome challenges in their life and they never give up on their dreams. So I'm inspired by such people.
What is one thing you would change about the world?
Well, if you ask me, so I would like to change the way we treat our environment. Because Alhamdulillah, we are very educated people, but when it comes to treat the environment, plant and specifically animals, so we lack. So I would like to change the way we treat our environment.
What is your biggest fear?
Well, my biggest fear is failing to achieve my dreams because I work really hard. But sometimes I think that what will gonna happen if I don't achieve my dream. So this is one of the fear, but I'm actually working really hard to overcome that as well.
How do you stay motivated throughout the day?
Well, I stay productive and motivated by making my to-do list in the morning because this is the most important thing for me. Because I believe in making a small and achievable goals. So the first thing I do in the morning is to make my to-do list. And then I start actually doing that. But during my work or my task, I always try to take some small or short pauses or breaks in between. And during that breaks or pauses, I try to do something fun and exciting. Sometime I watch films, sometime I do my makeover.
What is the one thing you are really good at?
I am really good at communication and solving my problems. Not only my problems, but majority of the time I solve people's problem. So I think that I'm really good at it.
What is something you are passionate about?
Well, according to me, I think that I'm really passionate about spreading kindness and teaching people how to work upon their personality and to boost up their confidence level as well. So, because whenever I talk about these matters, and one more thing, mental health. So, because I talk about these topics, so I feel really excited. So, I think that I'm really passionate about these topics.
Do you believe in luck?
Yeah, why not? I mean, luck is very important, but according to me, in my opinion, hard work and determination actually change your luck too. So, I would say that determination and hard work can actually play bigger role than luck, but yeah, in some of the cases, luck do help.
What do you think is the key to happiness?
The key to happiness is pursuing your passion or your career or your dream when you live your dream and staying grateful and having a really positive relationship with your loved ones. So I think that these are the things that you really need to have in your life if you want to live a dream life.
What is your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I like to go outside. Simple. And for example, if I cannot go outside, so I just like to enjoy my warm cup of coffee with my little one and we both enjoy.
How do you feel about social media?
Social media is great. It's powerful. It helps you to grow. It helps you to stay connected with your loved ones, with your family, with your friends. But you have to use it very mindfully and not get too much into it because if you are into it, so there is no way to get out. So you need to use it very mindfully, very wisely.
What kind of person do you admire the most?
I like kind, helping, who are always ready to help other people and who are actually very hardworking too.
What is the best decision you have made in your life so far?
Well, the best decision I have taken in my life was to pursue my career and to live my dream instead of following the crowd because I don't believe in following people, but I believe in setting trend. So I guess that this was the best decision in my life.
How do you handle criticism?
Criticism is amazing. It's wonderful. It helps you to grow if you take it constructively and positively. It depends upon you how are you going to take it. Although people should give positive criticism or constructive criticism is always welcoming. But for example, let's suppose if people are not giving you positive criticism and they are actually criticizing you in a very negative way, again, I would say it depends upon you how are you going to take it. So it depends upon you, not the other person.
What's something you have learned recently?
Well, recently I have learned the importance of mindfulness and how to be present in the moment because I think that this is the most important thing that we all should learn. So this is one of the most important things that I've learned recently. Okay guys, so that's all for our today's video. I hope that you found this video helpful, and in this video I just simply try to provide you simple, easy, basic and open-ended questions along with their sample answers in English language. So I hope that it would be helpful for you people, and if you found this video helpful, so please like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you would never miss on any update. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.